Hey measures, how's it going? Back with the part 2 of this S9 and S9 Plus rumor roundup series, and in this episode I'm going to be compiling every single possible rumor about S9 and S9 Plus. So without any further ado, let's just get right into it.
Is fast approaching 2 billion people, doing business everywhere, demanding access and continuity to everything, every second of the day and night. We need a new kind of mobile phone for a new mobile reality. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S9, the phone reimagined.
Now, before I even begin, you have seen this teaser all around the internet of S9 showcasing its camera performance. Samsung released a couple of teasers. Primarily, they are showcasing improved camera performance of S9. If you see this teaser, just by watching this teaser, you can right away find out 3 main key features or key improvement in camera over S8. Now, what are those? Number 1. Super Slo-Mo. Rumors are claiming that it's going to be recording at 960 frames per second. We are not sure about the resolution yet, but I think it's going to be 720p HD. Still, it's a lot of frames and can also record 4K at 60 frames per second. Number 2, variable aperture. This is the first time in a smartphone. The number 3, the low light performance is improving by a whole lot of margin. Now, if we talk about the rumors around for a while now. Number 1, no bottom bezel or less bottom bezel. Actually, the rumor is that it's going to be having up to 90% of screen to body ratio. So if Samsung has to achieve that, they might have to increase the screen size or reduce their body size. I think they're going to be increasing their screen size. Number 2, better facial or iris scanner. A couple of leaks show that there is a feature called intelligent scan that enables the user to use iris facial recognition feature at the same simultaneous time.
With enhanced biometrics, Intelligent Scan instantly recognizes you.
Number 3, will be the first phone to launch with Snapdragon 845. If you look back in 2017, S8 was the first phone to be launched with Snapdragon 835, so this might be true. And there is also a lot of rumors, a lot of leaks images claiming that Samsung's own Exynos 9810 processor is going to be way more faster, way more ahead of Snapdragon 845. So if this is the case that Samsung's own processor Exynos 9810 is way more ahead, then I personally don't think that Samsung is going to be installing or launching their phone with the Snapdragon 845. It doesn't make any sense. Some regions get way more faster phone and some regions like US get slower phone. It doesn't make any sense. And there are also rumors claiming that Samsung's Exynos 9810 is having some AI artificial intelligence feature in it. This time, the Plus variant might come with more Plus features than the last year. Now if we look back, the Plus variant always come with a bigger screen and a bigger battery, but this time around things are looking different. Samsung is going to be installing dual camera setup in Plus, 6GB of RAM in Plus, and more capacity option up to 512GB in Plus. There is no chance of getting in regular S9. No dual camera, no 6GB of RAM, no 512GB of storage option. Personally, I don't like this because there is a lot of people who love to have a smaller form factor phone but still want all the best and plus features. For them, this is kind of harsh thing, but Samsung is following Apple, so yeah, I don't say anything about it. Or they might come with the same reason that they don't have enough space to install dual cameras, more RAM or more storage. Who knows? It guys, and I hope you like this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't like, give it a thumbs down. Also check out my other social links down below the description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, matched videos. And at the end, take care, have a best day, peace out.